Read to Succeed is a program that we do every summer for third grade students in Jackson Public Schools who have one final attempt to pass the third grade reading gate test. We bring them in for 1 week of intense remediation, provide them with lots of encouragement, lots of motivation, and just work really hard to help them increase their test score so that they will pass to the fourth grade.
This program is very beneficial for those students that may have fallen through the cracks and not made the gains that they need to make during the school year. A camp balances not only the educational component, but it also has fun incorporated and woven throughout. Lots of volunteers, lots of extracurricular activities, and it makes the day for the children not just work, but work and play. The total experience that the children have makes them leaving feeling empowered, and that when they tackle this test again, they're going to be successful. And that's what our aim is.
But probably the most exciting thing is seeing a kid's face light up when he understands a new concept, or when he starts to feel better about himself, or when he's praised and encouraged and he starts to think, I can do this. And that look is just, there's no denying it.
We all know that the third grade is a critical time when we can kind of gauge how kids are going to perform later on in their matriculation through school. And we also know there's a correlation between education and being productive adults and citizens that can contribute to their community and the betterment of their community. And reading is a fundamental thing. You can't have any educational success without reading skills. So this program gives those kids an opportunity to improve their reading skills. And again, like I say, it brings the community together. It's such a wonderful tool and mechanism, because you've got all these different parties and people and agencies concerned about the children and their education. So that's why people should get involved, because our future, as cliche as it sounds, truly depends on it.
I think the biggest thing is just the way these children walk away feeling confident, feeling loved. We have students whose needs are met outside of education, personal needs, children who may have family issues or housing issues, who grow comfortable with us and are able to share those with us. Students who are worried about how their family members are going to eat for dinner, so they save their lunches for them. And that just allows us to, again, be a support and a resource for those students and those families.
I think being around a positive environment where they're encouraged and they're praised and set them up to succeed. We set them up and provide a risk-free environment. And if they mess up, then it's okay and they don't get in trouble. And they just enjoy that. It gives them more freedom and they start feeling more self-confident. And they have fun.
I think this program is so important for the museum because it really allows us to stay true to our mission to provide opportunities to children. It is a form of outreach for us because we are providing children who would not otherwise be able to afford a museum experience, that as well as the educational support that they need. I think that it puts MCM in a position to be leaders in education around the state of Mississippi and just be a resource for teachers and parents.